Hey traders, Jeff at Full Throttle Trades. I want to take you through a trade that we took today where we earned 3 times our exposure, 3 times our risk. So if you're trading $500, give you an example, would have been about a $1,500 trade, trading ANET to the downside. Couple key components here, a lesson here. It took me many years to learn. Stay tuned. Let me show you how it all evolved. All right, first off, when the market opened this morning, it gapped down and started rallying up. So when I couldn't find anything on the gap list, there was nothing. Literally, it was just chop and slop back and forth. I started sorting the S&P 500 by volume, and I started looking for weakness as the market was going up. The only true tell sign you have is that the market's going up and something is not, and it's part of the market. That's a sign that bigger money is probably beginning to throttle some positions out of there, and you could maybe be able to trade that. So when I saw that happening on ANET, it stopped me in my tracks. I saw a 3-bar play setting up, a 1-bar, a sideways, a new bar, room down to the pivot, or at least the body in this area, or the 50-period moving average. The low of the previous day was 89, and we were trading at 89.30 when I saw it. So I immediately put my order in. I told the room that we're going to short this under 89.30 with a 62-cent stop. Why 62 cent stop? Really was just based on this. If I look back at the earlier time frame, it just put it right over the top here. You see 62. I didn't want to go too wide because we had a big bar move down, and I was cutting into the average daily range. So the tighter I can get, if I'm right, I can be out of the stop quicker. So we got in here at 89 bucks, and it just nothing but net. Thing went down a little over 4R. We took our money at 2R, took half. We took the balance, trailed out a balance down here around 86.90 or so. Just shy, went to about 15 cents from our target, bounced up a little bit. We didn't want that to happen. We took it on the downstroke here to 86.90, and we got out of here about a 2.72R gain. So again, a $500 risk is about a $1,400 gain. Again, this doesn't take long to do. This is 15 minutes in the morning, identifying what the market's doing and trying to find things that are opposing the market. Now, there are times when the market just keeps bolting higher, some of this initial relative weakness will get bought, right? And that's what we call poor relative weakness, or in reverse, poor relative strength. Now, we don't know if that's going to happen. It's all speculation, but we're assuming because it's bought here that this weakness will stay intact. It may or may not be choppy, but we have to identify what our entry would be based on the larger time frame, which I showed you, and then where our stop would be. And we just simply manage it in between. I won't go through all the details, but if you look back at one of our charts, on our tracking charts, one of the videos I talked about, we enter in technically, but I manage mechanically. 2R, I'm taking half, I'm lowering stop, and then I get down to 3R, back it up to 1R net gain, looking for 4R or trailing the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. We discuss all this live in our trading room every morning as we trade these stocks. So come join us, take a look at these. Don't miss these opportunities. This was as good as mailbox money. There was this, we could have had a penny stop, we never would have got stopped on the thing. It hit and it ran. So get your share of these. See you in the room. Come on in for a free trial at Full Throttle Traders, and get your share of these trades that we're taking each day. See you next time.